Hello everyone, I am here to give you a very important news. Just couple of hours ago, Supreme Court in a very important order has allowed all the final year students who have cleared law exams, all the students who have cleared law and are waiting for their enrollment in the state bar councils. It has said all these people are now eligible to give AIBE 19 exam. AIBE 19 notification is released. The application process is currently ongoing, and Supreme Court clarified today very clearly. It has given protection to the students, saying that students should not be having to waste a lot of time. Already there are a lot of delays that are happening from AIBE people, lot of delays that are happening from the state bar councils, a lot of delays are happening at the university level, because of which mark sheets are not being released on time. The actual degree, law degree, people are not receiving on time. So Supreme Court today interfered and clarified. I was just in the Supreme Court a couple of hours ago. I was making these notes and I thought immediately I will share this good news with all of you. So one thing is clear, AIBE 19 exam is happening on November 24, 2024. The date, November 24 date, the Supreme Court has clarified is going to be the same. There is no extension of the date. Exam is on November 24th, which is roughly 2 months time, 60 days time you have. That's point number one. Point number two, what Supreme Court has clarified today is that if you are waiting for enrollment in the State Bar Council, but you have already finished your law degree, you will now be eligible to write AIBE 19. That is clarified. And also, if you are a final year law student who's probably because of some documentation issue, some mark sheet issue, you are unable to go for enrollment, even all of you can now write AIBE 19. And this Supreme Court has clarified, which means Bar Council of India has to agree to it now. Very soon it is expected that the amendment will come to AIBE 19 notification. AIBE 19 applications are still going on. You have a lot of time till October 25th. Supreme Court said, in the meantime, whoever are the students who are falling under these two categories, you please make changes and ensure that these students are also able to write AIBE 19. In fact, today in the court, you know what happened? From Bar Council side, they were asking more time. Please give us another 4 to 6 weeks time. Then we will make rules for final year law students to write the exam even before State Bar Council enrollment. Supreme Court said, listen, we have given our 5-judge bench decision in February 2023, not this year February, last year February. And in that 2023 judgment, we have told you it is urgent. You urgently make rules, we have told you. But what you guys have done? It's been 2 years, rules are not there. The exam season is already ongoing and now you are claiming some more time. They are saying we want some more time, which the court said we cannot give. If you are interested, you can also once read the judgment for your knowledge. Boni FOI Law College case. Today in the Supreme Court, reliance was placed on this 5-judge bench decision. In this judgment, your page 29 onwards is relevant. Page 29 and page 30 is what was relied upon before the Supreme Court today. The Supreme Court said that it is the urgent duty of the Bar Council to immediately make rules so that there is clarity, so that the final year students don't have to wait for 2 to 3 years before getting their final practice counted. Because if if you're not clearing your AIB exam, then how will you sign the wakalat? You're unable to sign the wakalat. You're unable to do a lot of lawyer activities. So to protect the students' interest, Supreme Court today intervened and clarified this point. So all in all, there will be more updates about this case. This case is not completed yet. It is only an interim order. Definitely subscribe to the channel to get authentic information about AIBE 19, the updates and the step-by-step guidance mechanism for AIBE 19. If you are interested in joining our full course and you want to study under my guidance, the details are also available in the description. We have roughly 60 days time. Important to study smartly and in a guided fashion. Definitely check out our course. And all in all, whoever is still confused, will I be able to write this AIBE 19 or should I wait for next year? For all such people, the news is you will definitely be writing. We just have to wait for some more days for official clarification from Bar Council. But since the Supreme Court has directed, it is mandatory, the notification including the revised eligibility will definitely come. So from your side, you don't delay the preparation. Don't think, acha, next year I'm writing the exam, and you stop preparing. Definitely you go ahead with the preparation. This time Supreme Court is interfering a lot more in AIBE process. So we can expect a lot more updates in this case also. So definitely stay tuned.